Good day, sir. I am Ricky S. Lesbos Jr. and this is my final recommend for drilling and blasting. So, number 1, an explosive placed within the main charge of blasting agent to initiate detonation. A. Blasting cup. B. Initiating device. C. Detonating cord. Or D. Primer. Ang ako answer diri sir kay primer, which is ang primer og ang blasting cup kay ang kalahian na niya kay ang primer kay ginagamit siya para sa pag-initiate sa detonation sa iyang main explosive charge, while ang blasting cup kay ginagamit siya pang initiation sa mga larger o kanang mga stable nga explosives, while ang initiating device kay siya murag makadetect siya nga device para kung maka-alarm kung naroon siya fire access. Tapos kung ang detonating cord pod kay siya used primarily to transfer a detonation signal from a primer or detonator. So the answer diri sir kay primer, which is ang pangutan naman dira kay blasting agent to initiate detonation, main charge. So D ako answer sir, primer. So number 2, explosive design for underground coal mines where the presence of explosive gases presents an abnormal blasting hazards. A. Permissible explosive. B. Liquid oxygen explosives. C. Low density explosives. Or D. Dry blasting agents. Ako answer this sir kay permissible explosive, which is kano siya sir, a risk of igniting hazardous gases or dust such as in coal mines. So number 3, it deflagrates without the production of an intense shock wave. It can be set off by flame. A. High explosive. B. PATN. C. TNT. And D is low explosives. So ako answer diri sir kay low explosive, which mas mag-deflagrate ang low explosives kaysa sa mag-detonate. Kay ang high explosives kay siya ang nasa ability nga mas mag-explode or mag-detonate kay siya detonate siya rapidly. So number 4, a wall rock usually vertical, either naturally formed or formed by blasting. A. Plain. C. B. Cliff. C. Face. Or D. Escarpment. So ang plain diri sir kay mga flat ni siya nga surface, tapos ang cliff kay mga often vertical, tapos mga rock face. Samtang ang escarpment kay steep na slope pinalong cliff. Tapos akong answer diri sir kay face, which is siya ang mag-expose sa surface of a rock or soil. Tapos number 5, a rock that ejected from the blast that reached beyond the established exclusion zone is called A. Through. B. Fly rock. C. Rock injection. Or D. Rock burst. So ang answer diri sir kay fly rock, which ang fly rock kay maka-travel siya beyond sa the blast area during blast operation. Tapos ang throw kay projected na siya towards sa blast site. Tapos ang rock ejection kay process of rocks nga imong murag na kay ejected to sa rocks. Tapos ang rock burst kay sudden and violent release of stored energy within a rock mass. So number 6, it is a round and flexible cord whose central core is composed of highly explosives. A. Cartridge. B. Primer. C. Detonating cord. Or D. Dynamite. So akong ikuha lang diri sir kay kaning cartridge of dynamite, since nakuha na ako ang detonating cord o ang primer. So ang cartridge kay makahold siya sa explosive material, tapos ang dynamite kay composed siya of absorbent material soaked in nitroglycerin. So akong answer diri sir kay C, which ang question is a round and flexible cord whose central is composed of highly explosives. So ang detonating cord kay used to transmit detonation, which initiate to detonate a large explosive charges. So letter C. So number 7, what do you call an explosive component that is used to provide oxygen in detonation? So choices are detonator, B. Fuel, C. ANFO, or D, oxygen, ay oxidizer. So kung mayroon ta oxidizer kay oxidizing agent ni siya para sa combustion of a fuel in an explosive mixture. Tapos kung detonator kay nakay ginagamit na para ma-trigger detonator ginagamit nimo para ma-trigger ang imong explosive. Detonation sa imong explosive. Tapos ang fuel kay energy required for the explosive reaction. Tapos ang ANFO or the ammonium nitrate fuel oil, which is an explosive mixture consisting of ammonium nitrate and fuel oil. So ang answer diri sir kay D, which is oxidizer. Tapos number 8, ANFO stands for A, ammonium nitrate fuel, B, ammonium nitrate fuel oil, C, ammonium nitrate fluidized oil, or D, ammonium nitrite fluidized oil. So, kabalo naman sa ANFO, so letter B, ammonium nitrate fuel oil. So, number 9, in blast geometry, what do you call the distance between blast holes in a row and the space between the row of blast holes in a shot blast? A, drill pattern, B, burden, C, spacing, or D, bench. Kabalo man ta nga bench kay leveled or terrace na siya nga platform, while ang spacing kay ang distance niya sa iyang rows o drill hole sa iyang blast pattern. So ang burden pod kay ang distance niya sa iyang adjacent drill holes. And akong answer diri kay ang drill pattern, which is layout ni siya or arrangement sa imong drill holes dito sa imong rock face. So letter A. So number 10, the vertical distance drilled below bench bottom. So kung mayroon tag bench bottom, ang choices diri kay A, bench height, B, drill depth, C, subgrade, or D, none of this. So ang answer diri sir kay subgrade, which is ang subgrade kay a natural or prepared surface of the ground beneath a pavement. Tapos ang drill depth kay distance from the surface to the bottom of a drill hole. While ang bench height kay vertical distance siya gikan sa between sa imong two consecutive benches in an open pit mine. So ang answer na ko diri sir kay ang subgrade, which is letter C. So number 11, it deflagrates only as it contains sulfur, charcoal, and niter. So ang choices kay A, high explosive, B, oxidizer, C, low explosive, and D is black powder, which is ang ako answer diri kay black powder. Which ang black powder kay one of the earliest known chemical explosive nga nag-contains of sulfur, charcoal, ug niter. Tapos ang kanang high explosive, oxidizer, ug low explosive kay na ako nang explain din. So number 12, ANFO has a contain of 96% of ammonium nitrate and 4% of fuel oil by weight, B, 94% of ammonium nitrate and 6% of fuel oil by volume, or C, 94% ammonium nitrate, 6% fuel oil by weight, or D, 96% ammonium nitrate, 4% fuel oil by volume. So ang answer diri sir kay letter C, which is by weight siya. Ang iyang 94% kay ang iyang ammonium nitrate og 6% lang iyang fuel oil. So number 13, it is the portion or remainder of a shot hole in a blasted face. A, misfire, B, hang fire, C, bootleg, or D, none of this. So kabalo naman ta nga ang misfire kay wala na yung buto. Tapos ang bootleg kay portion sa black hole nga portion sa imong hole nga shot hole nga wala remainder sa imong shot hole sa blasted ng mga face. So 14, the increase in volume of a material after blasting. A, swell factor, B, tonnage factor, C, powder factor, or D, blast factor. Ang answer nako diri sir kay swell factor, which ang swell factor kay the factors that affect swell's factor and accurately estimating the volume of excavated material are essential for successful execution or excavation projects. So number 15, failure of a charge to explode when expected. A. Misfire. B. Explosion. C. Bootleg. Or D. Hang fire. So, kapag naman ta nga, failure of a charge to explode, so wala ka buto. So, expected na nga misfire ang answer ni letter A. Kaya ang explosion kay sudden release of energy man na accompanied by the rapid explosion of gases. Tapos kato ang bootleg kay the bottom part of the hole that is left after a blast. Nga ang hang fire kay iyang delay sa pag-ignition, which ang misfire kay failure of an explosive device to detonate. So, letter A akong answer. 16. An explosive by itself. A. Nitroglycerin. B. Niter. C. Ammonia. Or D. Ammonium nitrate. So, kung mayroon tag nitroglycerin, mao ni akong answer sir. Kay, kung man siya, highly explosive na liquid compound. Samtang ang niter kay naturally occurring mineral compound. O ang ammonia kay ginagamit siya sa mga industrial processes. Samtang ang ammonium nitrate kay solid compound siya ginagamit for stabilizer, for fertilizer day. So 17, applied to the blast by means of which the original rock ledge is broken into fragments. A. Black holing. B. Mud capping. C. Plaster shooting. Or D. Primary blasting. So kung mayroon tag primary blasting, mao ni siya ang initial blasting sa imong operation. Pag mayroon kag plaster shooting kay breaking form sa imong formation nga ginag-apply ka og layer sa imong plaster. Tapos ang mud capping kay explosive charges na siya nga encapsulated in wet clay. Tapos ang black holing kay mao akong answer, which is technique niya sa pag-breaking rocks sa imong ledges into fragments. Imo siyang pangbukuon para may mga fragments. So, number 18. Are a cord composed of an explosive core within a textile or plastic covering. It detonates every explosive that in direct contact with it. So, A. Safety fuse. B. Cortex. Or C. Signal tube. Or D. None of this. So, ang answer this sir kay cortex, which is ang safety fuse kay na-define na to siya as used to initiate the detonation of explosive from a safe distance. Tapos ang signal tube kay flexible tube filled with a pyrotechnic composition. So, ako answer diri sir kay B, cortex. So, 19. A cord which burns at a definite speed and is commonly used to initiate a plain or simple detonator or blasting cap. A. Safety fuse. B. Gun button. C. Signal tube. Or D. All of this. So, ang safety fuse o ang signal tube na define na ako kanina. So, ang gun button na lang ako. Gun cotton na lang ako ingon, which is ang gun cotton kay a highly flammable and explosive compound derived from cellulose. Tapos, ang answer na ko ani kay safety fuse, which ang safety fuse kay mao tong gingon ako ganina nga used to initiate the detonation of explosive from a safe distance. Tapos ang quandary kay beneath speed commonly shade or plain simple detonator or blasting cap. So number 20, it is an explosive where the oxidizer solutions is mixed with fuel and emulsifier or water in oil. So kung mayroon kag water in oil, na-chay kuan sa. So akong choices diri kay ANFO, B. Emulsion. C. Slurry. Or D. Water gel. So, ang ako answer diri kay emulsion. Tapos, in 21, in explosives of ammonium nitrate fuel oil chemistry, what is produced when there's an exist of fuel? A. Nitrogen gas. B. NOx. C. Carbon dioxide. Or D. Carbon monoxide. So, akong answer diri sir kay carbon monoxide, which is ang carbon monoxide kay incomplete combustion sa siya sa iyang carbon containing fuels. Tapos ang nitrogen gas kay gas na siya nga making up of significant portion of the Earth's atmosphere. Tapos ang NOx kay reactive gas is composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Ang carbon dioxide kay naturally occurring gas by production of combustions. So number 22, which of the following is composed of ammonium nitrate, water, and explosive or non-explosive synthesizers? It is formulated purposely to extend the range of properties and characteristics of blasting agents. So A, emulsion, B, slurry, C, ANFO, and D are none of this. So ang answer diri sir kay letter B, which is slurry. Okay, which is composed of ammonium nitrate, water, and explosive or non-explosive synthesizer. So 23. What is a detonation agent whose speed is faster than the speed of sound? A, high explosives, B, low explosives, C, black powder, or D, gunpowder. So answer diri sir kay high explosive, which is ang high explosive kay yes, mo na siya, speed is faster than the speed of sound. Tapos akong 24, it is a thin, flexible plastic tube usually filled with pentaerythritol tetrapenitrate or the PATN. So, yung choices kay Primacord, B, signal tube, C, safety fuse, or D, igniter tube. So, kung may tag igniter tube, device na siya to initiate the detonation sa explosives. Tapos, ang safety fuse, kay fuse to initiate the detonation. Samtang ang signal tube kay flexible tube filled with a pyrotechnic composition. Tapos, ang Primacord kay used to transmit the detonation wave, which is kani siya diri ang answer diri kay flexible plastic tube. Flexible plastic tube usually filled with. So, ang answer diri kay signal tube. Tapos, sa 25, the rock that is broken by blasting outside the intended area. So, letter A, muck, B, back break, C, hip, or D, under break. So, ang mayong kag muck break, kay kuha na siya, mga broken or fragmented rock. Samtang ang hip kay pile nga mga material, nakapile or mga nakamount nga mga material. Tapos, ang under break kay fragmentation of rock mass during blasting operation. Nga ang back break kay mao ako answer kay fragmentation na siya sa iyang rock or soil from the back. So letter B.